guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dhanashri Naik. In the last lecture we are done with alphabets, accents, some rules for vowels, consonants, semi-vowels and nasal vowels. If you have not watched that video, link is in the description box. Do check it. In today's lecture we are going to start with number names from 1 to 100, then days of the week, months of the year, and subject pronouns and some phrases. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, we'll be starting with number names from 0 to 100. Though in the textbook they are given till 70, we'll learn it till 100 as they are continued in lesson 2. So instead of learning at that time, we'll learn it now itself. So I'll say the numbers twice. First time you all just listen to the pronunciation. Second time you all can repeat after me. So let's get started. 0, A, Yun, The, Twa, Quatre, Cinq, Six, Sept, Huit, Neuf, Dix. 0, 0, A, Yun, 1, The, 2, Twa, 3, Quatre, 4, Cinq, 5, Six, 6, Sept, 7, Huit, 8, Neuf, 9, Dix, 10, Onze, 11, Douze, 12, Treize, 13, Quatorze, 14, Quinze, 15, Seize, 16, Dix-sept, 17, Dix-huit, 18, Dix-neuf, 19, Vingt, 20, Onze, 11, Douze, 12, Treize, 13, Quatorze, 14, Quinze, 15, Seize, 16, Dix-sept, 17, Dix-huit, 18, Dix-neuf, 19, Vingt, 20, Vingt-et-un, 21, Vingt-deux, 22, Vingt-trois, 23, Vingt-quatre, 24, Vingt-cinq, 25, Vingt-six, 26, Vingt-sept, 27, Vingt-huit, 28, Vingt-neuf, 29, Trente, 30, Vingt-et-un, 21, Vingt-deux, 22, Vingt-trois, 23, Vingt-quatre, 24, Vingt-cinq, 25, Vingt-six, 26, Vingt-sept, 27, Vingt-huit, 28, Vingt-neuf, 29, Trente, 30, Trente-et-un, 31, Trente-deux, 32, Trente-trois, 33, Trente-quatre, 34, Trente-cinq, 35, Trente-six, 36, Trente-sept, 37, Trente-huit, 38, Trente-neuf, 39, 40, 40, Trente-et-un, 31, Trente-deux, 32, Trente-trois, 33, Trente-quatre, 34, Trente-cinq, 35, Trente-six, 36, Trente-sept, 37, 38, 38, Catront Nerve 39, Caronth 40, Caronth et a 41, Caronth the 42, Caronth trois 43, Caronth quatre 44, Caronth cinq 45, Caronth six 46, Caronth sept 47, Caronth huit 48, Caronth neuf 49, Cinquante 50, Caronth et un 41, Caronth deux 42, Caronth trois 43, Caronth quatre 44, Caronth cinq 45, Caronth six 46, Caronth sept 47, Caronth huit 48, Caronth neuf 49, Cinquante 50. Cinquante et un 51, Cinquante deux 52, Cinquante trois 53, Cinquante quatre 54, Cinquante cinq 55, Cinquante six 56, Cinquante sept 57, Cinquante huit 58, Cinquante neuf 59, Soixante 60. Cinquante et un 51, Cinquante deux 52, Cinquante trois 53, Cinquante quatre 54, Cinquante cinq 55, Cinquante six 56, Cinquante sept 57, Cinquante huit 58, Cinquante neuf 59, Soixante. Soixante et un 61, Soixante deux 62, Soixante trois 63, Soixante quatre 64, Soixante cinq 65, Soixante six 66, Soixante sept 67, Soixante huit 68, Soixante neuf 69, Soixante-dix 70. Soixante et un 61, Soixante deux 62, Soixante trois 63, Soixante quatre 64, Soixante cinq 65, Soixante six 66, Soixante sept 67, Soixante huit 68, Soixante neuf 69, Soixante-dix 70. Soixante onze 71, Soixante douze 72, Soixante treize 73, Soixante quatorze 74, Soixante quinze 75, Soixante seize 76, Soixante-dix-sept 77, Soixante-dix-huit 78, Soixante-dix-neuf 79, 80 80, Soixante-onze 71, Soixante-douze 72, Soixante-treize 73, Soixante-quatorze 74, Soixante-quinze 75, Soixante-six 76, Soixante-dix-sept 77, Soixante-dix-huit 78, Soixante-dix-neuf 79, 80 80, 81 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 84, 85 85, 86 86, 87 87, 88 88, 89 89, 90 90, 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 84, 85 85, 86 86, 87 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90, 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 99, son, 100. 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 99, son, 100. We are done with number names, and now we are starting with days of the week. Days of the week are called les jours de la semaine in French. Les jours de la semaine. So in English, days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Like that, in French also we say lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Lundi means Monday, mardi means Tuesday, mercredi is Wednesday, jeudi Thursday, vendredi Friday, samedi Saturday, dimanche Sunday. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. I'll say one more time, you all can repeat after me. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. And if someone asks you, quel jour est-ce qu'aujourd'hui, means what's the date today, then you'll say aujourd'hui c'est and the name of the day. For example, aujourd'hui c'est lundi. So today it's Monday. We are done with days of the week, and now we are moving towards months of the year. Months of the year are called les mois de l'année in French. Mois means months and année means year. So Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, May, Juin, Juillet, Août, Septembre, Octobre, Novembre, December. Janvier, January, Février, February, Mars, March, Avril, April, May, May, June, June, Juillet, July, Août, August, September, September, October, 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 November, November, and December is December. I'll say one more time, you can repeat after me. Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, May, Juin, Juillet, Août, Septembre, Octobre, November, December. If someone asks you, quel mois sommes-nous, means in which month are we in? So you'll say, nous sommes en and the name of the month. For example, we are in June, so we'll say, nous sommes en juin. Here are two tips. The first tip is that usually in French we don't pronounce the last letter of word, and second tip is that in number names we put hyphen for between two words For example, 17, 18 and 19. Also 26, 27. But we don't put hyphen for 21, 31, 41, 51 and 61. Here are subject pronouns. What are subject pronouns? Pronouns which are used as a subject are called subject pronouns. For example, I, you, he, she, it, one, we, you and they. These are subject pronouns in English. Similarly, we have je, tu, il, elle or nous, vous, il, elle in French. Je means I, tu means you, elle means she or it, il means he or it, elle means she or it, on means one, nous means we, vous means you, il means they and elle means they. Il is masculine plural and elle is feminine plural. And vous is used in two situations, either for many people or for elderly people. So, je and nous come in first person pronouns. Tu, vous come in second person pronouns. And il, elle and il, elle come in third person pronouns. And or comes in indefinite, because or is used for every pronoun. We can replace any pronoun with or. We can replace je with or, elle with or, any subject pronoun with or. So or is indefinite. And here are some frequently heard phrases in any classroom. For example, if teacher enters, we want to say good morning in French. We'll say bonjour madame. If it's madam, then we'll say bonjour madame. If it's sir, then we'll say bonjour monsieur. Good morning madam or sir. Écrivez means write. Ne parlez-vous. This is the most heard phrase in any class. Ne parlez-vous means do not talk. Silence, s'il vous plaît. Silence please. S'il vous plaît means please. Tournez la page. Turn the page. Répétez, repeat. Répondez, answer. Lisez, read. Ouvrez le livre. Open the book. Livre means book. Fermez le livre. Close the book. Écoutez, listen. Regardez, look. We have completed lesson 0 in today's lecture. In the next lecture, I'll be coming with lesson 1. To motivate me, you can like and share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. To give any suggestions and feedbacks, do comment me. Until then, stay hungry, stay foolish. Bye.